Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's Will It Shave Wednesday. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Got about a day and a half worth of growth here. Will it shave? Today, I'm going to be using this Thor Razor by Naked Armor. This thing is just a beautiful looking razor. I don't think this is going to be my thumbnail, but it might be. Anyway, I think I did like a little sample shave with it, but I decided I needed to put an edge on it that I like, which was my edge. And I did find that though the spine is straight, it has a little bit of geometry issues, and it's this side here, this side here, just on the toe, is not quite flat. And I probably needed to spend a little bit more time with it and reset the bevel all the way to the toe, but I was lazy and I didn't, so that's on me. Today's shave soap is going to be Bourbon Cowboy. Could be thumbnail. And this is by the Cajun Blade. Now, this scent here, here's what the soap looks like, and I dug some out right in this area. It is a nice boozy scent, and I'm picking up kind of a sweet note in there. It could be, this is my nose now. I'm having a hard time telling whether it's like a chocolate scent or a chocolate and rose scent or a sweet leather note. Only the Artisan, Eric, can tell me. Eric, comment below. Or if you have this soap, comment below and let me know what's it smell like to you. I have that already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And I went with this red Trotters brush because on this label, it kind of seems, ooh, wrong finger. It kind of seems reddish to me, but it's not. It's just a bourbon color. But I thought this would really go nice with the shave of the day photo to really kind of make that label pop a little bit. I had no problems whipping up the lather. 1/4 teaspoon. And I think I used 12 mils of water. Running it just a little on the thin side because I'm straight razor shaving. But here's what the lather looks like, in case you didn't know. Now you do. And I don't have a splash, but I'm going to be using the Star Jelly. I have a sponge here that I will wipe my blade on as I go along because I don't want to dip it or rinse it. Go ahead and wetten that up. Let's get going with pass number 1 with the grain. And my fingers, where I want to hold, it's kind of there, you know. You could put one here, or one there, or even bump it up a notch. I feel like I want to hold it here, but it's just kind of squeezing my fingers out of the way. And if I try to put the third one in there, I have large hands, and so it kind of puts me in a place where I'm not, it just feels like I'm wanting to be squeezed either this way towards, up towards the toe, or backwards to the, what's this, the kerf? I don't know, I forget what that's called. Anyway, let's get, who's here for a shave video? I mean, let's get the shave on and stop the lip flapping and start making the magic happen. All right, here we go. Pass number 1. I'm unsure about this one. It's taking it off. It's not super smooth. Feels a little rough on the cheeks, which I know in the neck area, boy, that gimping, I don't like those notches. In the neck area will definitely tell me for sure. That's a no-go for me. Let me grab a different razor and I'll be back. I got to keep it honest and real with you. Okay, so I'm going to use the razor that I used last, which is the Black Diamond. It was super smooth and I didn't have any issues. So you already know Will It Shave Wednesday is somewhat of a fail. Did I tell you I do enjoy this particular scent? Looks like I'm gonna have a Thor Razor up for grabs. All right, here we go. I'm gonna rechase this area here. So much more buttery smooth. Getting a little too close up into the goatee area. Oh yeah, it's Wednesday. What's going on, guys? Comment below. Let me know how your week has gone so far. I feel like when my stubble is more, I don't know, there's times I feel like when it's longer, I don't get quite the nice shave, like the blade feel. I mean, there's tons of residual slickness there, but I just feel like it's a little bit tuggier. It's that really ultra tough stuff. What do I usually say it is? It's like the back of a grizzly bear. No, I don't know. Copper wire. You know, it's just the way it goes sometimes. A shave here, shave there. I did remember to hit the record button. Oh, it's one of those shaves. I guess, you know, I know who I can blame. Me. All right, here we go. Pass number 2 across the grain. Isn't that amazing how shaving can be so much different from day to day? And then when you put your hand in the lather, that you had a big blooper. Maybe I shouldn't be shaving today. Woo! What's happening? feel like I'm gonna have to do a pass number 3. The old Thor Razor got me thinking. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. Well, in the end, or whatever you want to call it, ended up getting a nice shave. All right, I'll put a picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your day. Hey, the video is over. Why are you sticking around? Oh, you want to see pass number 3 with the grain off camera? It really feels like, or sounds like, it got everything. I don't know, that first pass was something else. Maybe that should be called the brownie points pass. All right, see you guys.